Good afternoon, folks. Well, my package came in today. I'll show you what it is. This pocket knife here I've been carrying for over 23 years. I keep it on this little belt key clip so I can put it on my belt, and I can get at it when I'm sitting down or standing up, doesn't matter, and I never lose it. Like I said, I've been carrying it every day for 23 years. Problem is I wore it out. You can see it just doesn't it's all wore out. But I really like this knife. It's been my favorite pocket knife. So I went online and I found something. It's a Magnum made by Boker. Comes in a nice tin. And it's pretty much just like the one that I've been carrying all these years. See if I can get it out of here for you. It's got the same blades. It's pretty much identical. It's a little bottle opener, screwdriver. It's got an awl, can opener. But most importantly, it has a shackle on it, so I can clip it to my belt. So that's the big package I was waiting for. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. God bless. Have a great night.